Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Pittsburgh Unboxing, but it doesn't come in a box. And this just came in the mail. It is yet another book in my hundreds of paranormal books. Give me a moment, I have to get the channel numbers. Okay, 1,425,636. I'm going to double check that because it doesn't seem to have changed, and it should have. That's 1,425,636 views, 20,858 subscribers. This is a new book. I'm still not done with the other book, but this is new. UFOs over Nevada. So, the cover is a little hard to see with the light and everything, but there it is, by Preston Dennett. So now I must have about 75 UFO books. And no pictures in this one, unlike the other one. I guess there's not much to photograph. Oh, there's pictures in the back. Okay, hold on. Artist impression of End of These Team by Johnny Sands, and Area 51, of course. UFO photographed anonymous witness over Lake Mead. And UFO around the Cosmopolitan Hotel and UFO around Mandalay Bay. There and there. You can't see them very well because I turn this down. And here's two more UFOs. And then that's it. So he has a lot of books out though. So I'll see what this is like when I finish the other one. We went to Nordstrom. That was a disaster. Kathy was getting salad, looked like dead seaweed. Should have gone to get her fruit tart, which I suggested. Paid Capital One, one Citibank card. I'll pay Target tomorrow, Coinbase tomorrow, and more stuff is coming in. I think it's driving me crazy. They stuff it delivered, and then I get home and I find that it's not delivered tomorrow. It's not delivered till Tuesday. Why the hell do they say it's delivered, but it's still in process of being shipped to Elk Grove, Sacramento? So I will connect the earphones and earbuds tonight and go from there. It's really hot in here. Gotta feed the cats. So I've got other videos to post, but I'll wait till that cools off. I just walked in the door. Mama Cat is here. Carpet cleaner guy is cleaning somebody's carpet. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe they had a flood. And the horrible music down the street is going on. So, but we did not have a good experience. Oh, they changed. I'll talk about that tomorrow. My bread rolls. First they had sourdough. Then they got rid of that. They got soft biscuits. Now they got harder biscuits. I went butter in the biscuit bread and iced tea. And Kathy, the last time she got there, she got horrible service. And this time they asked, it was such a bad experience. She didn't want to go back. We've gone in there for years. So, all right, remember you can join the channel for $3.99 a month or $6.99 a month. I posted videos to the channel today. I got more to post, and more items coming this tomorrow. And then Tuesday, well, that book wasn't supposed to be there on Tuesday, but came in earlier. So I'm not, and I got three items coming, one for Kathy, and I'll probably do the unboxing of the item for her when she's not here. And then I got something coming in on Friday. And that'll be it for the month. I'm very low on money, but I'm going to work on something to get money. All right, join the channel, click the like button, subscribe, and of course, next time I'm live, please give me super chat donations to help me feed the outdoor cats. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay dry, stay hydrated, and watch the skies. Bye-bye for now.